Hello and welcome to Innovation by Design, a series of videos to introduce the business model canvas as a tool to design, communicate, and change business. I'm Mike LaChapelle. Now in this first module, I want to take a look at the concept of a business model and how it applies not only to for-profit businesses, but to not-for-profits, social enterprises, member-based organizations, as well as government. Now, the term business model has been used in many ways, and people have used it from high-level approaches, such as the story of how your business works, to very detailed views, such as the financial models, or linking it to a specific technology. It can be a confusing term. The approach that we use is very simple, and it gets to the core of what every business or organization should understand about its existence. A business model is about value. Any organization's business model is about the relationship between you and the people for whom you create value. Call them customers, clients, users, members, or consumers. The term you use may be specific to your context, but each of these terms refers to a target for whom you create value. And in that way, they're synonymous. Now, the first aspect, a business model is built on understanding what value you create that is important to your customers. Whether that value is important to you is irrelevant. Your opinion doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is whether your customers see that value as important. Now, the second aspect of a business model is how you create value for your customers. What is the infrastructure that you need to create value? And the last important aspect of a business model is what value you capture back from your customers. Now, for the most part, it tends to be revenues, money. But in some special cases, such as third-party funded models or social innovation, the value captured back may be an alternate currency like data or impact. That's as complicated as you need to be. The definition of a business model is the rationale by which an organization creates and delivers value that is important to its customers and captures a value in return in a systematic, repeatable, and sustainable way. Now, the tool that we use to document and make business models explicit and visual is the Business Model Canvas, which was developed by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Peigneur in their book, Business Model Generation. Now, the Business Model Canvas makes it easy to understand, analyze, and design an organization's existing business, prototype different and innovative ideas about how to change the business, or create a whole new business. The Canvas structure addresses the three core aspects of a business model. What value you deliver to which customers and how you deliver that value constitutes the customer-facing part of the canvas, commonly known as the front stage. The right side of the canvas includes customer segments, value proposition, customer relationships, and channels. Now, the left side of the canvas is how you create that value you are delivering to your customers. This is known as the infrastructure or backstage of the business, and it includes key activities, key resources, and key partners. The third area of the canvas is about what you capture back and the sustainability of the business. This is the financials and contains revenue streams and cost structures. Now, the power of this approach lies in the ability to apply the business model concepts and use the tool at various levels within an organization. You could be modeling the whole enterprise, a particular business line, an individual business unit, or a solution, product, or service. It can be used across many sectors: private, not-for-profit, and government. Now, using the canvas, one can map out an entire business model in one image, and this works for established companies executing on their current business or looking to innovate with new products and services. It's also a core tool for startups trying to design and launch new businesses. Now, through this series of videos, we will look at each of the 9 components of the business model, introducing the core concepts in each and providing guidance on the use of the tool.